Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making this origami beetle. You want to build it? Ready, set, let's go. This origami beetle, you need 1 6-inch square of origami. Start off by folding in half. Crease well. Unfold. And you're going to fold again in half, crease well, open up, and now you're just going to flip it over, push this down so it pops up, and you're going to do this and turn it into this, if you know how to do this fold. And then flip it this way, and you're going to fold this down. Flip it over and fold this down. And then you're going to open this up and turn it like this. So it's like this way now. And these are right here. And you're going to fold it in half like this right here and crease. Do the same thing with the other side. Flip it over and do this. And now you're just going to fold it in half. So it's like this. And now to make the teeth, going to open this up. You're going to crease it right here. And you're going to fold it right here like this. Do the same thing with the other one. Like this. And you're going to do it one more time up. Like this. And then you're just going to adjust it until you think it's good. Crease right here. Pull it up a little. Get it to the perfect point. I would say right here. Do the same thing with the other one. Fold it right here, crease, and bring it up right here. And you could either grab sticky eyes or you could just draw some eyes right here. Draw some dots if you want to make it any kind of beetle you want, and you're done.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, turn on notifications to never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.